Hello, ma'am. Hi, sir. Chair, sir. Art, sir. Chair. Which college? Akash. Okay. अरे जल्दी जल्दी ये लेना है तुम लोग सब लगा रहे हैं इधर है my daughter yes sir she's in Vizag sir
coming now doing very photo did what you can glitches
I'm doing nothing I'm a
wait
Nana, namaste.
Namaste. Namaste.
Hi, Amrika.
Hey, Pia. Right side.
And
Hi.
Hi. Meet Ambika. Ambika. Yeah.
He is my colleague. You know Sanjay. You know Sanjay. Sanjay Babu else kara. Sanjay Babu else kara.
Fourth floor.
పక్కన ఇంకా బాగున్నట్టు వాడికి పక్కన కూర్చుని
దో ఎంకిగ్రా
హోటల్ నేమ్ చెప్పండి
అది కరెక్టా బాబు వెనక మీరు అయ్యో
కమింగ్ యు గో బ్రదర్
ఓకే
వెల్కమ్ టు యూనియన్ అని చెప్పండి
సచిన్ ఏదో
ఓకే
He is my younger. My son.
बहुत डायनेमिक आदमी है। मैं इनसे एक बार बात कर
Suma.
हाई लेफ्ट साइड शिक्षक है, जोया है, आके है, मणिमेखला है। हेलो ओके ओके राइट। अरे बंदी पहुंचा रहे हैं, बंदी पिकअप कर रहे हैं।
आपको क्या लगता है किसमें एनर्जी ज्यादा है? टीचर्स में। इतना लो कॉन्फिडेंस क्यों? सर आप लोगों का खौफ देख रहे हैं, इन लोगों को अपने ऊपर भरोसा ही नहीं है। एक बार बताइए सर किसमें ज्यादा एनर्जी है? हम लोग जोरदार तालियां बजाएंगे, ठीक है? सच में नहीं है सर, मजा नहीं आ रहा है। एनर्जी आ रही है, टीचर्स की एनर्जी देख के मेरा दिल खुश हो गया। अभी बच्चों की एनर्जी देखने की बात बताऊंगा कैसे कर सकते हैं। So are you all ready? Are you all excited? 1998 बैच मैंने सुना था सबसे एनर्जेटिक और सबसे खतरनाक बैच है, सबसे शरारती बैच था। नो डाउट इन दैट, आई कैन सी दैट, I can see by seeing the teachers. Teachers are more naughty than the students.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఓకే కదా, ఇది ఓకే కదా, ఇది ఓకే కదా. నాకు అదే పని, నాకు అదే
जब तक इवेंट स्टार्ट होता है मैं आप लोगों से कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ लूंगा, मैं चेक कर लूँ आप लोगों की नॉलेज, या टीचर्स की चेक कर लूँ पहले। ये पूरा बदला लेने के मूड में आए हैं आज। पहले आते आप लोगों को, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो जितनी ज्यादा बढ़ती जाती है उतना कम दिखाई देने लगता है? उम्र तो जैसे बढ़ती जाएगी वो दिखता जाएगा ना, पता चल जाएगा। वो दिखना नहीं, दिखना। ऐसी कौन सी चीज है स्टैंडिंग में बैठेगा तो दिखाई कैसे कम होगा? आगे हिंट देता हूँ कि ये चीज जो है वो रोज होती है, रोज होती है। ऐसे एक भी दिन नहीं होगा जिस दिन ये चीज नहीं होगी। Somebody said something here. आसपास है something like that, but not exactly solution. Somebody said something here. आसपास है something like that, but not exactly solution. कौन बोला है इसी क्वेश्चन? आप लास्ट बेंच में बैठे थे, टॉपर थे आप, फर्स्ट बेंच है, इसलिए मैं नहीं मालूम आपको। ये लास्ट बेंच वाला काम होता है। देखा, लास्ट बेंच को बता रहा था। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछूं? क्वेश्चन किया आप लोगों ने? अभी आप सभी का स्वागत करने के लिए अरुणा जी आए हमारे साथ। एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए अरुणा जी के लिए।
Hello everyone. I'm not able to hear that. As I know to everyone, there is no use of introducing myself. I heartily welcome my respected teachers and my beloved friends to our reunion. Thank you for coming all the way over to
Those congratulations, please. I want to make this very informal. No formalities, please. So I have been Hello everyone. So it has been very long time to meet you guys. And emotional connect has been losing. बहुत दिनों से ही पेंडिंग था। बहुत लोग सोच रहे हैं कि हम लोग मिलेंगे। So kind of we'll have some good time together. Want to speak? After sitting here, I wish we have met earlier. However, the time covers, जिसको जो बनता है तो बनता है। I'm sure we have many friends who once to join us, who couldn't join us. But I will just go ahead and these are all words that I can read. My God, हम बस अभी इस एज आ चुके हैं जहाँ पे हम बस रीडिंग कर सकते हैं। क्या बात कर रहे हो? कुछ can we have a random challenge from teachers?
Yeah, sure.
Can we? Let's do that. See, there's nothing in speech. Just our classmates. कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि हमारा बचपन वापस आ गया है, जो हम मिस करते थे पहले, right? That somehow I tell my kids that your बचपन is the best time of your life. इसके बाद से जो responsibility और चालू होती है, वो कभी नहीं खत्म होने वाला है। बचपन ही है जो सबसे बेहतर टाइम है। उसके बाद का बात जो है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है और आपका जिम्मेदारी है जो आपको निभाना है, कहीं ना कहीं आप करना ही है। तो मैं बस यही खत्म कर रहा हूँ। I would invite if anybody wants to come and kind of
बहुत बिल्कुल अच्छे से खराब किए। आपकी बारी आ गई थी, संजीव सबसे ज्यादा शोर बजाएंगे। ऐसे ही होते हैं दोस्त, नहीं तो फिर दोस्त कौन कहेगा? सही बात है ना? ठीक है, अभी देखिए कोई भी इवेंट हो बिना डांस के पूरा नहीं होता, मानते हैं आप लोग? तो एक स्पेशल परफॉर्मेंस तो बनती है। रेडी हैं आप लोग? ये स्पेशल परफॉर्मेंस है बाय पी रितिका, डॉटर ऑफ डी संध्या। अभी टीचर्स ज्यादा खुश है क्योंकि टीचर्स को लग रहा है कि हमारे बच्चे डांस करने लगे हैं, लेकिन मेरे को पूरा भरोसा है कि ये टीचर्स भी किसी से कम नहीं है। टीचर्स का भी डांस होगा बाद में, लेकिन अभी के लिए हम सिर्फ
निर्विघ्नं कुर्मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
किरण कुमार जी। पब्लिक डिमांड पे 33 वाले को सबसे पहले लेके आएंगे। बताइए बताइए पहले नंबर पे आनी चाहिए किरण कुमार जी। हाई डिमांड देगी आपकी, डिमांड देगी आप। पब्लिक डिमांड है सर। ये क्लास में आए तो फैमिली को भूल गए।
पैके कंचे
वो मार्क्स याद है बचपन में। अरे मार्क्स में पूछ रहे थे। आई एम टी किरण कुमार। आई एम टी किरण कुमार। Okay, my introduction. Okay, no serious. It's really an honor to meet you all my friends. हम लोग actually we mostly boys. We are been from LKG, since LKG till date it's 25. Nearly 37 years we are together, and it's a great feeling that like siblings we are here right from those class. And about me, Kiran Kumar, I'm always B section. I have never changed another section into A or B. And my wife Shravani, she's a homemaker, and my children Maharashtra and Ananya. But thank you. Seriously working at the actually I had an IT company which I closed a couple of years back. I am a cybersecurity trainer and research and everything. But right now I just shut down my operations and supporting my wife's business. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Thank you so much, sir.
सबको मेरी ओर से सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते, आदाब। मेरा नाम मनदीप सिंह है। मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय में LKG से 6th तक कंटिन्यू किया था, स्टडी करा। उसके बाद मैंने शिक्षा विद्यालय ज्वाइन किया था। NTPC में रहता था। मेरी 3 लड़कियां, ये मेरी मिसेस है, ये बड़ी लड़की है, ये दूसरी वाली है, तीसरी वाली। सब कॉलेज पढ़ रहे हैं मेरे बच्चे। अभी तो सब ठीक चल रहा है, वायु की कृपा है, बस और कुछ छाना चाहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच। प्रदीपा जी, प्रदीप आएंगे आप बचपन में क्या बनने का सोच रहे थे?
अच्छा वो सपना नहीं था, सपने सब सपने होते। सोचे तो बहुत थे।
सोचे तो वो बता दीजिए।
Hi friends and respected madams, teachers, sirs, everyone over here. I'm really excited to speak in front of you people. It's really a good opportunity for me to speak in front of my teachers once again. Even though I was a kid in the school where I was very silent. But as I am working in an engineering college, I still feel like a student only. I am with all the students daily. That's the reason I am very much excited to meet my teachers. So really all your encouragement and your teaching, your passion over teaching, all that really made me to stand here and also in front of my students. Many students in the college like me as a strict teacher. But I am really very soft and enjoying my profession.
but they don't understand that because I am that much strict with them in the college. So people think that I am very strict, but it's not true. When the students come to me, definitely I feel they are like my children only always. Like whom you people have treated us. And she is my daughter, Sai Hansika, studying inter first year. And I had a son, Sai Anshul. Now he completed his B.Tech third year. My husband, a government service, doing as a deputy inspector. Due to some personal reasons, he did not come. So I am very much happy to see all my friends. Long back we had a reunion, but today we had seen many more friends. Mostly like girls. Girls have come today to enjoy with us. So I am really happy to see all the madams like Rachel madam, who is very favorite to me. Tulsi madam also very favorite. Lalita madam. Jyoti madam was very strict. I did not like still she is strict.
That's why I want to ask you, now you are strict, how you got that quality?
Yes. Out of our qualities only, I came to get that qualities, definitely madam.
And I want to ask another question. With your son also you are like that, how you are with your student?
Son, during studies I will be like that, but apart from studies I will be very casual.
Same thing I did here. Same thing I did.
Yes.
In studies I am strict.
Yes, that only.
Yeah.
With the studies we are strict, that's all. With other environments, definitely we will be supporting all the students, as well as my daughter and son. In that case, more than them. Yes, welcome madam, Nagamani madam, you are also my favorite madam. Padmavati madam and Nagamani madam, sisters, we really love you both. Okay friends, so thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you once again.
My name is Sridhar. Wife's name is Vinayati Kumari Panda. Boy's name is Devdutt. Girl's name is Devashri. Girl name. I have a very long-lasting relationship with all the teachers. Because from class 1 to class 12, I've been in the same school. Currently, I'm working with Salesforce as the customer success team. Thank you very much. All day.
क्या करना चाहते हैं सर?
I was I'm actually waiting for
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. Myself Dr. Ratna Kumari, and I thought of doing civil services, and I gave Bihar Public Service Commission examination. I cleared it first attempt. Then I got into Panchayati Raj officer. After working in field, presently I am posted in Secretariat, Patna. One more thing I would like to share. When I entered this hall, few of the boys told me, Ratna, you remember me? You used to meet me in the school. So it was like shocking for me. And now when used to contact every day. I used to meet so many politicians, criminals, and all sorts of people. And I knew they are dangerous people sitting in front of me. And I was so scared inside, but always I used to keep my face and expressions upright that I'm not afraid of you this thing. And I used to be a strict officer. I got many, what you call, humpies and dharnas and all I faced, all this stuff. But now I understood why God has brought me to this profession, because since childhood I was like this only. People say that our core personality builds in the school only. And this is true. What we all friends now when we are meeting, our personality is just built there only. And the only reason why I came today all the way from Patna to Delhi to Hyderabad, I can meet all my friends anywhere, right? But this was the only opportunity I can thank my teachers. Just because of them, whatever I am today, I'm really from heartfelt thanks to my all teachers. Really, I'm just I don't have words, man. I'm so grateful in this whole lifetime, because whatever examination and whatever things came into my life, just because of those values, those principles, and those guidance which you have taught us, directly or indirectly, and we have the person, whatever we got from you, ma'am, sirs and teachers, really, those things, I don't have words. I'm so thankful and grateful to you all. My husband, Mr. Nirmal, he is working in Delhi Metro Rail Corporation as Joint General Manager. And my son Ranveer is in Standard 4. And I would definitely like my son to join Kendriya Vidyalaya only. Because this is the only school which gives immense opportunities to children. Whatever convent school, whatever international school nowadays we have, but they don't have the core value and the ethnicity and the, our culture they don't represent. I've seen even schools that they're teaching Queen Elizabeth the birthday kapha, and they are not telling about Gandhiji. But, you know, so those things I want. कि केंद्रीय विद्यालय से हमें जो मिला, those which we got, our children should also get those things. And again, thank you so much for organizing this thing, this event, Aruna, Sabiha, and all your friends. And love you all. Thank you so much.
Very refreshing and what is the best time of your life? As Sanjay was saying, school life is the best part. You build memories, you revive it, and if they're not there, sort of presenting on to it, and I just come down there. So it's really nice. Rachel, madam, I speak English because of you. And the foundation was laid there. She's in the house. She's there. Please convey the message to her. Christy, madam, I started a lot. Lalita, madam, Kalyan's mother.
Bro.
Teachers have learned a lot. And
How are you? Rachel ma'am.
good, very good.
Hope you can see all your teachers.
You speak English,
Yes, I am. I can see all the teachers. Good to see everyone. Good to see. Hello.
Hi, you speak well.
Hi, Rachel, madam.
You speak well.
Thank you. It's all because of you. We know how to speak English. That's what we use in the work, life, and every life that we are living out here.
See, I came all the way to
The
see
foundation was laid there. Thank you very much. Yeah. And translation constraint, actually, there is countless. I know teachers from the market, there are a lot of times we had a senior came from school and bunked from school. So that was there. Kiran is there. Sanju, we all had a lot of good time actually in the childhood. Organizers, especially, I want to really take the time to thank all. In the effort, in the contacts, we actually coordinate with everybody. Is really a tremendous effort. It's not plausible. Actually, it's Firstly, I'm missing this event. I just feel I was there with all of you, and especially respected teachers. You coming all this way to Hyderabad to attend this event with your batch. It's a tremendous honor for every one of us, organizers and all the batchmates. They've done a tremendous job in pulling all the students event. More importantly, I would always again say, teachers, you've been a cornerstone for whatever we have done in life until now. There's every little thing, every little success we went through until now. It goes a lot. Lights in you've been no pillars to all that. Looking at some I cannot see all the teachers when you were taking the camera out, it just, when all of those moments came back to mind. We were on the naughty bunch, of course we are not those studies guys. Even till now we are not. And we have shared and said that.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. And I don't know, recently we lost some words. I think social development a lot. Whatever all of us are doing in life, it's definitely because of those inputs, those guidance, the mentorship that we received when we were kids. That's the budding phases of our life. And I don't think you will introduce in my case. Most of my learning has only been in the kindergarten and after that we just qualifications became unlimited and after because all this was already set and there's nothing to look back. We could always survive fine on what we learned in those 10 odd years as being a kid. It's a wonderful experience. And of course, all the trends, games, sports, whatnot, multicultural events that help build good personalities, mostly good human beings. That's the most important aspect of what we have learned being at school. And I really miss all of you. Most importantly, I'm really missing this event. Students of me that used to say couldn't otherwise I really wanted to be there. Meet every teacher in person. Of course, my friends have been meeting them quite often, but especially the teachers whom I haven't had the opportunity to talk to also. It's nice being school community and having here. ఈ నైట్ లో ఇంత టైంలో లేకుంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ 3 o'clock here. You're feeling energy here and then you're actually speaking about it. And you're actually embracing the event in life. It itself shows how much memory we have during the gaming time. I know there's so many memories to accept right now.
Thank you so much.
From Jabalpur, they came to attend the event. Big round of applause, please. And also Rachel madam, it was her first flight journey alone. She only came my words, with my call. She said, I will come. I gave assurance to uncle, her husband, that we will take care of madam. So all over from Ernakulam, teacher came to attend the event. So give big round of applause to Rachel madam and each and every teacher. I thank everyone. Tulasi madam from Vijayawada, she is very busy. In spite of that, with one phone call, she has come all the way. Thank you madam. Big round of applause to madam. I would like to felicitate invite all my beloved teachers and do felicitation. Please don't think other way. As the list given by teachers, we are calling. We don't know qualification and cadre. So we are calling at according to the list given by teachers in the group.
Madam, we missed the scale actually.
మేడం ఇది చూడండి.
Now I am my family advocate. I can speak English perfectly in court. Then my co-advocates, Madam taught us how to help others. I told my children also. Madam in Madam told we should thank when we are when we are coming out, dropping from auto. We should thank the auto person also. We should be that much kind and loyal. So I taught my children also like that only. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So I should thank all of you also. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nothing more to say.
I just wanted to tell a small thing. When I was in first class, Jyoti ma'am already, she was very strict teacher to us.
For everyone?
Yeah, for everyone. She told I have to participate in the fancy dress competition. Then I was a Bharat Mata there. So I had to speak few sentences about, Bharat Mata. Then she gave me the 5 sentences and I could not tell the entire sentences. Then she just slapped me one time on my cheek and I was down with 101 fever. The next day I didn't go to school. Then she sent me a word with my elder sister that call your sister after lunch. Because we had CCA programs during afternoon timing. So she called me, I gave the speech and I got the first prize and you can see that. I did this.
All thanks to the one slap. So here you can say one slap changed my life. Hello. Jyoti madam की लिंक आगे बढ़ा प्लीज.
మేడం ఒకసారి పట్టుకొని ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
याद नहीं रहता है लेकिन सब आपके अच्छे के लिए होता है इस बात को याद रखो बस. क्योंकि बच्चे जो है ना जब तक हम लोग बताते नहीं आज के बच्चों में जब मैं देखती हूँ ना वो कभी मुझे नजर आए क्योंकि मैं अभी भी पढ़ा रही हूँ. दैट इज द रीजन. अभी फर्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ा रही हूँ 10th पढ़ा रही हूँ लेकिन तो भी मुझे लगा एक बार बता सभी. थैंक यू धन्यवाद.
ज्योति मैम ये आपके पपड़ी है जो ये सारे काम यहाँ बैठे हैं. जोरदार ताली हो जाए ज्योति मैम के लिए. नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल टीम रिक्वायरमेंट टुडे. और ये मेरे दोस्त बन गए थे.
talking and going on a very control after the festival.
रेडी से सबके दोस्त हो गए ना?
I would like to share small incident with the library sir. It was our first library from 6th class. Sherpan's storybook was the famous book in our library. Sir was the most coolest person. Recently I met, he stays nearby our house. So I went personally and met sir and madam. Sir is very such a nice person. Thank you, sir. We feel very great to have you, sir.
तालियां नहीं बजा रहे आप लोग, क्या नहीं बजा रही वैसे?
Nagamani madam was after Jyoti madam. Nagamani madam taught us Hindi in primary teacher. She was very strict and soft and sweet. Thank you so much, madam. We are feeling very great to have you.
Wow. Photo తీసుకున్నా. Sir, look here.
Madam, కొంచెం బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళండి. ఇంకా బయట
Next, I would like to call Abhilash and Ratna to felicitate K. Nevat Kumar sir. My drawing sir. My drawing sir gave you.
Friends, please give big round of applause to teachers. It's a great honor to felicitate our teachers. In drawing period, I remember randomly that to skip social Tulsi madam class, we used to sit in drawing room. Sir is such a
Look here.
sweet
Sir,
person.
look here.
He won't ask. We don't have class. Why you sit here? We never ask like that. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We are feeling very great.
Everybody thought that I was going to find out. Right? Just because of sir, I got so many nationals and some international certificates also just because of sir. And I would like to share one thing. Whenever sir used to select one any of my painting for another competition or something, the first painting which I used to say, sir, this is not at all good. Sir, this is the best one. No, sir, this is not nice. Again, I used to take it out and sir, you will get different. And he used to send that. Now I understood what was his vision and what he wanted to see in the paintings. And what should I say? He was my first art teacher and last art teacher actually. I didn't go to any other teacher after that. Thank you so much, sir.
सर को एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो.
Thank you, Ratna, and thank you all my children and for the organization of this event. You could all meet together, both children and students also and teachers also. Thank you once again.
School time lo terror putti It's an honor to felicitate you, ma'am.
Okay.
Tulsi madam, point to be noted. This will be your classes for drawing classes. Yeah, we'll give them punishment after that.
Yeah, here. Good afternoon, everyone. Ma'am, 1 second. See, one thing I want to tell you all. Today in this position, I am here means, yes, I am Ambika. Okay? So, see, today I am a principal to a school, Engineer Girls School. The inspiration is from my Tulsi ma'am. Really? Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I can understand the pain of the teachers and also how much they have sacrificed their life for us. Thank you so much to each and everyone.
You have become principal and still they are teachers.
Frankly speaking, today to each of my teachers, I first take my Tulsi ma'am name. See, I am here today in this position means all because of Tulsi ma'am. I have failed my 6th class. Then ma'am gave me inspiration. No, you will become one day a good teacher. So like that I have become. I never thought of becoming a teacher, but to my shock today I am a principal to the world school engineer. I really thank you so much, ma'am.
See, that is power of a teacher. But a student who failed in 6th class is principal of a school now, just because of motivation actually. एक बार जोरदार तालियां तो बनती है मैडम के लिए।
This is Kalyani. I think everybody has a story with everybody regarding selection in Singapore. So ma'am, one thing I would always tell my friends and also my kids. The thing is that the way you taught us, not even my kids get it now, and the way you taught us the freedom lesson, I think we all get this goosebumps. Look at everybody. We still remember the last day of those freedom chapter pages and all you were teaching. We still remember one. And the most important thing is that the way you made us to rehearsals those big drills and all with 150 students. And the one thing I want to mention here is that when I see my kids performing, the coordination is zero. But I can proudly say that with her guidance we did 100%. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are an inspiration then and now as well. Thank you a lot. And one thing is that I've been working in a couple of places, but I think that when I stand up and talk, and when I talk to other people whom I really meet new, is just because of her. She has encouraged me, those first pushes she has gave me to stand on stage because I was nowhere around it was she. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
One word for our children also, madam. From your side.
Our children are not in our control. That's right, ma'am.
You are mischievous, no? So naturally they are also mischievous. You are, that's good. They have to be like that. And one fine day they will also stand here and talk like this. Children.
I'm able to control it. Not able to control my
It's only through love, I tell you. You should be very connected to them day and out. Yeah, only through that we can. Actually, you know, I had that, it was teaching me, I attended many alumnis and all, I worked in 7 KVs. Why HPPC children are not conducting reunion? It was always in my mind. And congratulations to all of you all for making it possible.
now I am very happy. My NPC children also have conducted reunion. Wonderful. Wonderful, very good children. Keep it up. And you know, KBS has given us many things, and the best thing is your love. Thousands of students love and affection to us, and that is making us move forward. Thank you all children. Bless you all.
Thank you so much, President. You are all sacred and next one like to call Vicky and Sumarita to fill the stage. Jamuna Prasad Pandey sir. Pandey जी ने जोरदार ताली बजाओ. Vicky and Sumarita.
I think Pandey, Jagna Pandey sir taught us social or Hindi in primary to C-section students. He was very strict. He was very chubby at that time. We could not recognize sir. Thank you so much sir from all the way. You have come to attend our event. Thank you sir.
हमारे पांडे सर जबलपुर से स्पेशली आए आप लोगों से मिलने के लिए. तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां तो बनती है ना. ये दिखाना है कि वो कितना प्यार करते हैं आप लोगों से.
बच्चों, तुम लोगों के लिए मेरी यही एक सलाह है, अपने से बुजुर्गों का, अपने से शिक्षकों का आदर करो और सम्मान करो, भविष्य में आगे बढ़ो.
Sir is 86 years. He came for our event all the way from Jabalpur. Big round of applause to sir.
Thank you so much. के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए.
After Rachel madam transferred to Ernakulam, so Annalata madam taught us English in 9th and 10th. She was a sweet teacher. Thank you so much ma'am from coming all the way. We are feeling great to honor you ma'am. Big round of applause please.
So once we give. Sir, big
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. I feel very privileged to be amongst you all, my dear children. This event which you have organized proved that KB children have an edge over others. This is the way KBians are. They have an edge over others. They know how to organize things. They know how to be different than international school children also. I wholeheartedly thank all my students, children for organizing this whole event and putting us all together in one circle. Thank you very much.
मैं क्या बोलूँ, क्रश है. हम जब स्कूल में थे, अभी जनरेशन में हो तो बच्चे कुछ भी करते थे. हमारे जमाने में हम तो उतना फास्ट है. अभी तो महेश बाबू का सॉन्ग याद आता है मुझे. He is so cute, he is so handsome. Please welcome our handsome and dynamic sir, Jyoti Kumar sir.
सर कॉम्प्लेक्स दे रहे आपको. आपकी फैन होने एक देखी से मैंने. I would like to call Shashi Kiran and Dr. Jyoti to the stage. Jyoti Kumar sir.
Sir was very strict and sir used to teach. Sir has taught us physics. Sir used to clear every doubt. Very friendly teacher we had. Thank you so much, sir. We feel great to honor you, sir.
बड़ा लुकिया होगा. चल लुकिया होगा. कट कौन?
అలా పట్టుకొని చూడండి. ఓకే
Sir, few words from you. Happy afternoon, all of you. Let's change the. So, in this August gathering, I want to tell my students as well as my colleagues, we are more accustomed to wishing people as good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. We'll change the method of greeting from today. That's why I said happy afternoon. Happy afternoon, all of you. From the core of my heart, I want to thank these beautiful students, wonderfully mature and so well in their organizational abilities. A few months back, Aruna spoke to me. She is currently working as an advocate, and she spoke to me saying that I am your ex-student, sir. We are planning a get-together like this, an alumni meet. It is called alumni meet. Alumnus is singular, alumni is the plural. So the alumni here, from the students' part, they are planning a reunion, a get-together night where the students as well as the teachers can have a rubaru type of interaction. So I'm really happy that it could materialize. A few days back we had the cross-border tensions, and I was wondering whether this program will go on or not. But by God's grace, everything has gone on very well. I should thank Aruna, I should thank all my students. Wonderfully, lovely for NTPC Jyotinagar Ramagundam 1998 batch. ये पल भी गुजर जाएगा मीठे लम्हों की तरह, ये पल भी गुजर जाएगा मीठे लम्हों की तरह, यादें वहीं खड़ी रह जाती है, यादें वहीं रह जाती है उनके सड़कों की तरह. लेकिन रिपीट दी शेर, ये पल भी गुजर जाएगा मीठे लम्हों की तरह, यादें वहीं खड़ी रह जाती है रुके सड़कों की तरह. हारना तब आवश्यक होता है जब लड़ाई अपनों से हो. ध्यान से सुनिएगा, हारना तब आवश्यक होता है जब लड़ाई अपनों से हो, जीतना तब आवश्यक होता है जब लड़ाई अपने आप से हो. मंजिल मिले या न मिले ये तो मुकद्दर का खेल है, हम कोशिश ही न करें ये तो गलत बात है. किसी ने बर्फ से एक खूबसूरत सवाल पूछा, आप इतने ठंडे क्यों हैं? तो बर्फ ने जवाब दिया, मेरा अतीत भी पानी था, मेरा भविष्य भी पानी होगा, तो मैं किस बात पे गर्मी दिखाऊं? Please enjoy this function, and I'm very happy that I am a part of this program. And जाने से पहले इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि continue this momentum. I think this is the first reunion function which I'm attending, and in a very nice hotel, best restaurant in Ashoka, which is just at a stone's throw from the metro station Lakrika Pul, NMDC Lakrika Pul. So I think I should really appreciate people who have come from outside Hyderabad for attending this function. Particularly, let's clap for all the teachers who have come from outside Hyderabad. And then they have journeyed all the way here for attending this function. And my best wishes to all my students, their families, as well as their kids. Okay. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you.
You can see on the PPT, he is the legend of our KV. Sir, please give big round of applause to sir.
Some of my students are asking me, sir, I left NTPC Ramagundam as on 2nd June 2000, subsequent to my posting as principal at Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 2, Jaipur. And then in the year 2015, I became an assistant commissioner. For 7.5 years, I worked as assistant commissioner and retired from Kendriya Vidyalaya Circuit in Bhubaneswar region after serving for 4.5 years in Jaipur region. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call Praveen and Vani.
मैं क्या बोलूँ इस मैडम के बारे में? हमारी सॉन्ग है ना, ए रोडी ने दिले, तो सॉन्ग है ना, वो सॉन्ग करेक्ट सूट होता है मैडम को। अब जो मैडम को बुलाया है ना,
समझ ही गए होंगे आप लोग किसकी बात हो रही है।
Very strict and sweet madam. Our Lalita madam, please welcome Lalita madam with big round of applause.
जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करेंगे ललिता मैडम का। मैं वो रिक्वेस्ट प्रवीण एंड वाणी को कमेंट कर
कोई भी बच्चा नाटक करता है ना, मैडम के पास लेके जाने से पूरा सेट हो जाता था, whether it baby boy or girl.
मैडम के लिए जोरदार तालियां दें।
खबरदार, कोई भी बताया मैंने तुम लोग को मारा, पहले बताया और एक बार मारेगा।
प्रवीण प्रशांत है।
मैडम की धमकी बहुत अच्छी लगी है।
Madam went to US to meet his children. As I informed Madam that May 17th is our reunion, Madam came back on May 7th to India to attend our reunion. Thank you so much, Madam. It's a great pleasure to honor and felicitate you, ma'am.
Sir, look here, sir.
This shows that she is not strict. She is like coconut.
Madam, please wait.
She shows that she is strict. सुधारना भी तो जरूरी है ना मैडम?
Yes, yes. So many people said that I am coconut. बाहर से तो बहुत
सख्त, लेकिन अंदर से देखो वो कहाँ से आए आप लोगों का रियूनियन अटेंड करने के लिए। मैडम के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। और मैं ये डायलॉग याद रखूंगा मैम, जब भी मैं बच्चों को पीटूंगा ये बोलूंगा, यदि खबरदार किसी को बताया तो और पीटूंगा। जोरदार तालियां देंगे मैडम के लिए। Next, I would like to call.
By looking at this hotel, the arrangements, बोलना पड़ता है, so elegant, it's so beautiful.
Just looking like Thank you so much, ma'am. पहले बताते थे मैडम लेके आते आपकी सारी।
सारी को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं बच्चे। See, teacher, everything, the way they walk, the way they talk, and the way they dress, everything the child will observe. And they try to imitate. You may be observing your children, they will definitely do the same. So, the way when we are talking in the class, we should be very careful. The words we use, they definitely use. You can ask Sridhar how he used. मैं एक बार बोलती हूँ, श्रीधर एक बार मेरे पास आएगा, अभी भी वो डरता है बेचारा, बच्चा बड़ा हो गया, बच्चा पैदा हो गया, मेरा this is my son's classmate, we are all, I can say, now also I will say Kalyan useless. So, I had a right on them. So, this boy came to me, he said, he was going from there, I said, Sridhar, come here, I want some water. He took the bottle. And that time the bottle caps were something like metallic something. And he was just taking the bottle, moving his hand. Okay, I myself and I think Nagamani and some other teachers were sitting there. And he was moving. And in between, the cap was falling down. Unknowingly he stepped on that. And you understand how the shape of that will be. Then while coming, he picked the bottle and observing where is the cap. He could not find the cap. I said, sit on the floor. He could not find because the shape has gone. And finally he came. We were laughing like anything. That's Sridhar. And I remember many of you did whatever you did when you were very small. And maybe that is why मैंने बोला किसी को भी मारा तो जल्दी जैसे ये नहीं बोलेंगे मैं मारूंगी जरूर मारती हूँ अभी भी मार सकती हूँ क्योंकि ना बच्चा को बोलना पड़ता है ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे तो सुनेगा कौन
पहले दिन से ही अपने बच्चे ही संभाले जा रहे। कौन बोल रहा था कि हमसे 350 प्रिंसिपल जो थे वो जैसे ना 350 बच्चे संभालते, लेकिन खुद का रिजल्ट मैडम से पूछो कि कोटे के सामने नहीं चल रही है। जोरदार ताली बजाइए मैडम के लिए। Next, I would like to call Chandrasekhar and Ambika to felicitate Sahu sir. Sahu sir जी के लिए जोरदार ताली बजाइए।
Sahu sir, very soft and sweet sir. Sir taught us biology, I think so, in 7th class. Welcome sir.
In Punjabi, meaning of Sahu is very innocent.
Sir is very innocent and calm, quite innocent.
We can see that and it makes him so much.
Any one of you remember sir used to carry one bag and bring our bag to school. Always sir used to carry three long bags in.
Madam, stay close.
Thank you, sir. We feel really honored to felicitate you.
साहू से के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएगा। How you came to deliver such cute dimple?
At that time,
Dimple
we were
वाला
so
सर।
much frightened of maths because of sir. Sir taught us maths very easily, very friendly. He was so strict. He taught us friendly. We used to go to tuition to sir's house in evening. Sir was very soft at that time.
Sir, look here.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a great pleasure to honor you, sir. Big round of applause for sir.
सर ने कैसे कितने सुनाया है नहीं?
अभी ये जो बॉयज है ना, वो कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं सर को, कुछ निकालने चाहते हैं।
सर आपकी वजह से ये नोट गिन रहे हैं आज सर। आपकी वजह से ये नोट गिन रहे हैं सर।
Okay, thank you, all of you, my students. It's I'm feeling very happy to see all of you after so many years, and I'm happy that you are well. Thank you, all of you. May God bless you.
But we always daily our boys remember in our WhatsApp group, Marilan sir. Thank you, sir.
Next, I would like to.
जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए। Sir, I think sir has taught us socially in 4th and 5th class. Sir was so friendly. Most of our favorite teacher in primary, Subhash Pandey sir. We all remember you, sir. Thank you, sir.
जब अरुणा ने मुझे फोन किया तो शायद 2 बार फोन नहीं उठाया गया। वो अननोन नंबर समझ के हम लोगों को ठीक लगता है। फिर इसने मैसेज किया, सर मैं आपकी स्टूडेंट बोल रही हूँ और ऐसा है, तो मेरी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मेरी खुशी कितनी बढ़ गई, कुछ भी पता नहीं लगता। फिर मैंने तुरंत भैया को फोन किया कि हैदराबाद चलना है, तो भैया बोले यार ऐसा मौका कब आएगा, चलो जाएंगे। और उसमें मैं गोवा में नहीं था, मैं दिल्ली में था अपनी बड़ी बेटी के पास। और आप समझिए कि हमारी सफलता या हमारा जो कुछ है वो हमारे बच्चे, और हम कितने खुश हैं कि हमारे बच्चों के बच्चे।
इसके पहले ये और अभिलाष एयरपोर्ट में जब हमको मिल गए तो लगा कि हमारे 2 बेटे तो मिल गए। और सच पूछा जाए हमारे बच्चे कभी कभी हमारे पास नहीं रहेंगे, लेकिन हमारे ये बच्चे हमेशा हमारे बुरे समय में काम आएंगे। और मैंने देखा है और फिर बोल रहा हूँ, हम हारे अपने बच्चों से या जीते अपने बच्चों से, जीत हमारी ही है, हर मामले में जीत हमारी है। और अरुणा को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। और मेरा एक शिष्य प्रवीण है, इसका भाई, फोन पे उसने कम से कम 15 मिनट लिए और बात करता रहा सर आपने क्या किया था सर, बताइए सर। तो मैं बोला भाई आप आ रहे हो कि नहीं आ रहे हो? अच्छा, हम लोगों को केंद्रीय विद्यालय में एक और अच्छी बात थी, हमारे साथ जो टीचर हैं अगर वो छोटे हैं सामने हैं तो हम उनका नाम लेकर बुला लेते, लेकिन अगर हम पीछे बात करते हैं तो भाई स्वर्णलता मैडम बोली है या सो सच बोला है। और हम अपने बच्चों को भी कोशिश है कि तुम के बजाय आप बुलाएं, और हम तुम कब बुलाए जब बहुत क्लोज हो गए, तब हमारा अपनापन और बढ़ता है। और शायद मैडम बोली थी ज्योति मैडम की थप्पड़, तो आजकल मैं कह रहा हूँ लोग बोलते 4G 5G सही कनेक्शन है, हकीकत गुरु जी का एक जी गुरु जी सब सही हो जाता है। और शायद हम लोगों ने अपने बच्चों को चाटा मारा है, उसके पीछे एक ही था कि हमारा बच्चा हमारा आगे बढ़ जाए। और यहाँ जितने बैठे हैं ना कुछ कहने का नहीं है। और कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था कि अगर एक वकील गलती करता है और न जैसा तो उसकी गलती जो है फाइल में बंद हो जाएगी। अगर डॉक्टर गलती करता है तो वो कब्र में दफन हो जाएगी। और डॉक्टर वकील इंजीनियर अगर गलती करता है तो उसकी गलती ईंटों में दफन हो जाएगी। लेकिन अगर टीचर गलती करता है तो उसकी गलती समाज को प्रतिबिंबित करती है। और हम अपने बच्चों से एक बात करके जा रहे हैं, आप उनको सब कुछ दीजिए, संस्कार जरूर देना, बड़ों का आदर कैसे करना है। 2 साल 4 महीने की बेटा कोई बात नहीं है, बोलती है कोई बात नहीं। मैं अपने बच्चों को ये चाहूँगा कि आपने जो हमसे पाया है वही अपने बच्चों को हमारे मारने के बजाय आप थोड़ा देखिए कैसा होता है। हमारे जमाने में अगर हमसे कब टूट गए तो नहीं है क्या टूट गया, और आज का बच्चा बोलता है टूट गया तो दूसरा आएगा, तो आप बच्चे को मार नहीं सकते। और मैं कुछ नहीं, हमारे मित्रों ने हमारे सब सीनियर है, छोटे लोग भी रहे हमसे। और शायद राममुंडा जब से आई और राममुंडा हम नहीं भूल पाए, 97 हम गए थे वहाँ को, और हम वहीं से भी हैं। और कभी आप आना चाहें तो आ सकते हैं, आओ स्वागत है।
Thank you so much, sir. अभी नेक्स्ट सर को बुला रहे हैं, जैसे
मैडम सर
Thank you so much, sir. It's a great honor to felicitate you, sir.
शुभ अवसर पर मैं 2-3 बातें कहना चाहता हूँ। एक ये है, रत्ना ने अपने भाषण में बताया मेरे बेटे को केवी में ही पढ़ा दूंगी क्योंकि ये सभ्यता और संस्कृति जो है केवी और सिखाती है। इसीलिए उसमें एक संस्कृत में कोटेशन है, भारतस्य प्रतिष्ठिते संस्कृति संस्कृति कल्चर जो है, ये कल्चर आपके इस सभा से प्रस्फुटित होती है। इसीलिए मैं और एक विषय इस संदर्भ में कहना चाहता हूँ। ये विषय ये है कि जब मैं एनटीपीसी में काम किया कर रहा था उस समय मैं मद्रास में किसी संदर्भ में मद्रास अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में गया। उधर एक फेमस डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर कन्नन, किडनी स्पेशलिस्ट, वर्ल्ड एशियन और फेमस स्पेशलिस्ट है, नंबर 2 में या नंबर 3 में था किडनी स्पेशलिस्ट। इन्होंने एक बुक लिखा यमराज सहोदर, इंग्लिश में बुक लिखा, संस्कृत टाइटल यमराज सहोदर। तो वो बुक मैंने देखा उस समय में और उसके बाद फिर एनटीपीसी आया। एक एनुअल डे के दिन में मैंने एक नाटक कराया, यही वही थीम लेकर यमराज सहोदर, जिसमें और वेजिटेबल वेटर के रूप में और अन्ना ने चुन लिया। और वो बहुत मुझे याद है उसका जो थीम क्या है, वो वैद्यराज नमस्कोप्यम यमराज सहोदरः वैद्यस्तु हरते प्राणान् तन्तु प्राणान् हरामि च। बोलते एक श्लोक है, ये वैद्य नकली डॉक्टर यमराज के भाई है, नकली डॉक्टर हो तो। और वो नकली डॉक्टर और यमराज के बीच में क्या फर्क है? यम तो केवल समय होने के बाद जान लेता है, प्राण लेता है, लेकिन ये नकली डॉक्टर ऐसे नहीं, पूरे पैसे लेता है, पैसे के साथ बाद में एंडिंग में और जान भी लेता है, दोनों लेता है। इसीलिए और वो थीम लेकर मैंने एक नाटक, उसमें एक वेजिटेबल वेंडर का और पोर्शन जो है क्रिएट किया। उसमें एक डायलॉग मैंने उसी संदर्भ में तेलुगु में लिख के दिया, वेजिटेबल बेचने वाले वो। तो उसमें मुझे भी अभी याद है, अन्ना को देखने के बाद अन्ना ने भी याद दिलाया। और उसमें वो बेचती है वेजिटेबल्स, क्या है, వంకాయలు, బెండకాయలు, దొండకాయలు, సోరకాయలు, కూరగాయలు, ऐसे डायलॉग को कितने अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे ढंग से किए, मुझे याद है, याद आ रहा है वो सीन पूरा। और एक आदमी बुला के फिर वो उसे पूरे वेजिटेबल खरीद के और 3 रुपए लेकर इतने जो है ज्यादा वेजिटेबल लेते हैं। उसके बाद फिर वो लेकर चले जाती है। जाते वक्त और एक डायलॉग, फिर वो डायलॉग क्या है, మైదాం సచ్చినాడు 3 రూపాయలు ఇచ్చి 3 కూరగాయలు తీసుకున్నాడు, వాడి జిమ్మడ वाले नोट पढ़ को बोलके कुछ ऐसे डायलॉग लिख दिया, बहुत अच्छे ढंग से किया, मुझे अभी याद है। और वो नहीं बोल सकता,
मेरे पास तो फोटो है सर, मैं सर्च करके आपको भेजूंगी। ये बॉयज सर मुझे चिढ़ाए सर, उसके बाद 9th क्लास किड से किड के बाद है सर मुझे चिढ़ाए सर, मुझे याद भी है।
और बहुत बड़ी खुशी की बात है। और एफसीआई वाले ऐसे 2 बार ऐसे जो सम्मेलन संगठन करवाया और आपने एनटीपीसी मैंने रामगुडम वाले ही पूरे ऐसे 3rd टाइम मैंने जो है ऐसे इस सभा में और भाग लिया। मैं बहुत संतुष्ट हूँ। और अंत में आपके सभी छात्रों को आशीर्वाद और धन्यवाद के साथ आशीर्वाद बताते हुए अंतिम में एक वैदिक धुन से मैं समाप्त करता हूँ। शतम शरदो वर्धमान शतम मंता शतम वसंतः। धन्यवाद सभी को, धन्यवाद।
Event from Vijay. Our first English teacher, Shakti sir.
బాబుని తీసుకోండి ఒకసారి. దగ్గర జరగండి, ముందుకు రండి.
Thank you so much, sir. Approach करना चाहेंगे.
I thank all children for this reunion after long period of 32 years. I miss you all. So I'm very much happy to meet you all, see you all. I also met my old friends, teachers, who are doing daily NTPC. So I'm very much thankful. On this occasion, I want to say we are all proud to be Indians.
दूसरा तालियां हो जाए सभी ऑडियंस के लिए.
All proud to be Indians. The most recent example is Captain Sophia Qureshi, who was over baby student who got Lawrence War Factory in Civil War. So, Kendriya Vidyalaya are education makers of children. So, promote your children also to study in Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Salam came from Delhi only to attend our event. Yesterday he landed in Hyderabad. Thank you so much, sir. It's a great honor to felicitate you, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's so convenient for me to tell you if you don't mind. Most of you, I think, know Telugu. Shall I be permitted? ఒక విషయం నాకు గుర్తురాట్లేదు. నేను 85 లో జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు చాలా చిన్న పిల్లవాడిని. చాలా చిన్న పిల్లవాడికి 22nd immediate graduation year జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత అది చాలా వినూత్నంగా అనిపించింది ప్రపంచం. అప్పట్లో 10th క్లాస్ బ్యాచ్, ఫస్ట్ 12th క్లాస్ బ్యాచ్ ఎంతోకి ఆ అమ్మాయి తెలుగులో మాట్లాడలేదు. అసలు ఇంటిగా తీసుకెళ్ళి మాట నేను మీ అబ్బాయి సాధించి వచ్చినాను. ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్ కలిపచ్చు మీ పిల్లలకు పాల్గొడా నిజంగా ఆ విదేశీ నుంచి వచ్చారా వీళ్ళంతా అనుకున్నాను. నిజానికి నాకు అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే నేను కూడా ఆ టైంలో మారాలి. అంతవరకు నేను తెలుగులో ఐస్తుంటాను తెలుగు. I did not use either English or Hindi. I never used to talk in English or Hindi. అయితే అక్కడ వచ్చిన తర్వాత నేను ఒక సార్ పడుతున్నాను. ఆయన ఫీల్ రాలేదు. ఆయన నాకు గైడ్ చేశాడు. బాబు నువ్వు ఇలాగ తెలుగులో పాడేటావు, నీకు పట్టించుకోరు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు చేంజ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. నిదానంగా నేను హిందీలో మాట్లాడడం స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. అది అనేది అసలు భయంకరమైన వాళ్ళకైతే బాగా బాగా అనుభవం. హిందీలో మాట్లాడే అంతే కష్టం తెలుగు వాళ్ళు అయితే. అయితే నేను హిందీలో రాయగలను కానీ మాట్లాడవచ్చు. ऐसा लगा कि मैं जरूर फेल हो जाऊंगा केवी में. तब एक मैडम मिली थी मुझे. मैडम का नाम है एस नागमणि. वो मुझे धीरे धीरे सिखा, ऐसा बात करते अब छोटे छोटे बच्चे उनसे बात कर पा रहे हो, ऐसे बोली तुम डरो मत. She used to start with me only in Hindi, not in Telugu. Even she is Telugu, Indian. She used to speak with me only Hindi. వీళ్ళు పెద్దవాళ్ళతో హిందీలో మాట్లాడరు, చిన్నపిల్లలు ఉన్నారు తెలవిస్తారు, వాళ్ళతో ట్రై చేయండి, వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడతారు, వాళ్ళు మీకు నేర్పిస్తారు, వాళ్ళతో హిందీ నేర్పిస్తారని చెప్పండి, వాళ్ళే మీకు నేర్పిస్తారు అని చెప్పి तुम सिखा तुम कहीं उसको सिखाने की जरूरत है, बोला ना आपको हिंदी सिखाते आपको कैसे बोलना है, छोटे छोटे पद ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा। अब मैं हिंदी में कहता भी लिखना शुरू किया, देखो ऐसे ही चेंज आता है बच्चों से, हम बच्चों को सिखाते नहीं, वो हमको सिखाते हैं। I wish you all the best. Actually, you entered me and remembered me. I was very grateful and very grateful.
Thanks, sir. Thank you so much.
The time also when he was teaching us. Now also same. I heartily welcome you, sir. Big round of applause for Surya Prakash sir, friends. I thank Jyoti Kumar sir for inviting specially Surya Prakash sir. Thank you so much, sir. It's a great pleasure to honor you, sir.
सर कितने हैंडसम लग रहे हैं ना, हमेशा से हैंडसम लग रहे हैं। एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए सर के लिए।
हेलो हेलो, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। इन्हीं ऊंचे ऊंचे हौसलों के साथ आज KVNTPC यहाँ पर है और मैं अपने आप को धन्यवाद का पात्र समझता हूँ कि मैं उन शिक्षकों में से हूँ जो शायद आपके आने के पहले उसमें से भी कुछ लोग थे। मैं और ज्योति कुमार सर एक ही दिन ज्वाइन हुए 86 में और हम लोग बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे। हमने इतना शानदार दिन बिताया NTPC में। आज थैंक्स टू रामचंद्र रेड्डी सर एंड शास्त्री सर जिनके द्वारा मुझे पता चला कि फंक्शन आज ही है और मैं तुरंत दौड़ के चला आया और मुझे खुशी फॉरेस अभी एंकरिंग कर रहे हैं हिंदी में, मैं भी हिंदी शिक्षक था और आपको एक बात बता दूं कि यहाँ जितने शिक्षक हैं वो भी आपकी तरह तरक्की करते हुए आज बड़े बड़े पोस्ट पर रिटायर हुए हैं। कुमार सर स्टेट कमिश्नर थे, मैं नेशनल अवार्डी टीचर हूँ केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन का, मेरी विशेष स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बेस्ट टीचर अवार्डी है। पांडे जी आए थे, उनकी बेटी इंडिया के लिए रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है क्रिकेट में। ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, बहुत सारे, हर एक जितने भी मुझे पता नहीं है बच्चे वो भी बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। टीचर्स ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया है जो NTPC में थे, क्योंकि वो NTPC का वो दौर था जिसको मैं सिर्फ पॉइंट्स लिख के लाया हूँ। मैं गया था 86 4 नवंबर को, उस समय एक सीरियल आया करता था आज तक, अगर आपको पता है कि नहीं पता मुझे नहीं पता। उस समय NTPC में कुछ भी नहीं था, हम लोग B5 में 34 में 35 में रहते थे और रिक्रेशन हॉल था लेकिन टीवी नहीं था। और हम लोग मैं और हम दोनों जाकर वहाँ पर मेरेपल्ली में एक ही टीवी रहा करता था डायनोरा और चुप चुप के पीछे से देखते थे। तो वो दिन मुझे याद है। और उसके बाद 87-88 में NTPC में कुछ ऐसा विस्फोट हुआ रिक्रेशन हॉल में कि दुनिया के सारे चैनल आने लगे। और मैं आपको बता दूं जब मैं NTPC गया था तो रोते रोते गया और जब मैं वहां से निकला तो भी रोते रोते आया। अब आप बोले कि रोते रोते क्या, क्योंकि इतनी खुशी थी छोड़ने का गम था, उसे छोड़ा नहीं जा रहा था। एक हिस्ट्री, एक इतिहास हमने लिखा। मेरी शादी वही हुई, मेरे दोनों बच्चे वही पैदा हुए और हम लोग हमारे टीचर्स बहुत यही रहा करते थे। हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते थे, टेबल टेनिस खेलते थे और एक मुझे याद है पुराने स्कूल में हमने जो क्या बोलते हैं वो नया कॉम्प्लेक्स है ना, पुराना कॉम्प्लेक्स, वहाँ पर आया करता था। फिर वहाँ से लोग नए बिल्डिंग में शिफ्ट किए, उस समय हम थे और नए बिल्डिंग में बार क्रिकेट खेलते खेलते एक बाल आके मेरे नाक पे लग गया, वहीं गिर गया, तुरंत हॉस्पिटल लेकर गए, फिर बोन फ्रैक्चर हो गया। तो ठीक हो ऐसे बहुत सारी यादें जुड़ी हैं जिनको हम भूल नहीं सकते। और खासकर आप सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि आपने मुझे आमंत्रित किया और मैं आपके साथ हूँ। और मैं एक्चुअली सोच रहा था कि फंक्शन रामावंडा में है, लेकिन मुझे आज शास्त्री जी ने बताया कि फंक्शन रामावंडा में नहीं, हैदराबाद में। तो मैंने कहा मैं हैदराबाद वासी हूँ कि क्यों नहीं, तुरंत कार्य भाग गया। तो आप सबके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और इतना सुंदर ऑर्गेनाइज किया आपने, जितनी तारीफ की जाए बहुत कम है। और जो मैंने जिंदगी में पहला गाना माइक में गाया था वही अब 2 पंक्ति गाके गा रहा हूँ। आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें, दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है हो। आती रहेंगी बहारें, बहारें आती रहेंगी, आपका जीवन खुशियों से भरा रहेगा। भगवान करे आप तरक्की करें, आपके बच्चे तरक्की करें, आप सब ऊंचे ऊंचे पोस्ट पे जाए। धन्यवाद,
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। इसी के साथ हमारे सभी टीचर्स का धन्यवाद करते हुए हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है। अभी इन खूबसूरत नमों को एक तस्वीर में कैप्चर कर लेते हैं। So I request all the students and teachers to please come up on stage for a good picture.
Is to that story. For this, I would like to Pandey sir, एक बार आइए थोड़ा मेरे तरफ से स्टूडेंट को, आप जो हमारा बड़े भैया है, आपके तरफ से हमारे स्टूडेंट को एक मिनट देना है, प्लीज आइए सर। And that student is none other than my favorite, Dr. Rasna. Please come over here. Dr. Rasna, please come over here.
Wait. Wait, sir, wait. Ana. Next time John, sir. Ready?
Sir, look here.
Sorry, చూడాలి. Wait. అలానే ఉండండి. ఇలా చూడాలి సార్. లాస్ట్. వెయిట్ మేడం. చిన్ను
అన్న పట్టుకున్నా.
రెడీ సార్, రెడీ. వెయిట్. రెడీ మేడం, ఇది చూడాలి. చీజ్. వెయిట్ సార్, వెయిట్. స్మైల్ ఇవ్వండి సార్, అందరూ సీరియస్గా చూస్తున్నారు. అలానే ఉండండి.
ओके अभी वीडियो बनाएंगे ठीक है.
वेट सर इट చూడండి.
ओके फर्स्ट वीडियो विल शूट आई विल से 3 2 1 और आप सभी बोलेंगे केवीएन 7 केवीएन से सर ठीक है. पहले ये करते हैं फिर भारत माता की जय बोलिए. बोलते थे ना ठीक है. सब आ गए ना. सो रेडी गाइस. हंसते हुए बोलना है ऐसे सैड से नहीं बोलना ठीक है.
ब्रो आप थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए थोड़ा. ना अब है क्या फील्ड में है क्या? नहीं अब तो अब उतरना चाह रहे हैं ना तो ये
दिख रहे हैं.
हाँ दिख रहे. बैठ जाओ अब तक.
रेडी 3
वेट
अभी 3